In front of me is HUAWEI Enjoy 20 SE, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources in this phone. So first of all, reach the settings, then find and select security, and here tap on more settings. Now you will notice install apps from external sources. Tap here, and if you truly want to activate some of those sources, just mark the one that you want to give this permission to, select allow app installs, and then tap on enable. So this is it. You can obviously pick any app that you want to give this permission to, make the indicator active, and that's it. And that would be all. This is how you can activate installation of apps from external sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.